Oakley Tokley, right now I'm waiting for an entry, about to start working a few, so we're gonna have to let it go if it doesn't present itself. But we've been in a bear flag slash just consolidation on the 4-hour, so we're slowly making higher highs, higher lows, but we're like within this consolidation. So we're technically in between Friday's low and Friday's high, so we're on an inside day. So what I'm waiting for is the break of this level, which it broke, of 66.44, this weekly level. I wanted to see it react to this previous area we popped from, like kind of bounce and do my retest from here. And I'm waiting to see if we are going to try to retest this level of 66.44, which will hopefully reject or potentially reject, which will give me confirmation to enter in further to the downside for us to test March 6th, which was, I believe that was Thursday. Yeah, to test Thursday's low. So the crude oil has already been in a downtrend, so trading with the trend. So definitely looking for further downside moves, but as you see, even kind of zooming in on the 1-hour, we're still like in that consolidation. We're making higher lows, and it looks kind of like a bear flag. So we'll see what we got going here. Maybe we'll get our retest and we'll just watch and wait. I got my alert set to let me know if it hits that area to start paying attention, and then seeing what price does. Also, if you're not following, click my link in my bio, go to my YouTube page, go ahead and just subscribe. So from there, I'm also uploading my 75 hard trading challenge, but also that's where I will drop just some knowledge, some value, things that I think you should know or wish I understood early on, just drilling that in. And specifically around the 75 hard challenge, it's showing what comes from staying focused and being intentional with one strategy and waiting for one thing, not being swayed to the left or right with what the market's doing or what these candles are doing, waiting for what you need to see before getting into your position. This is what I'm doing because, one, I have my family that I'm teaching to trade, and I want to show them proof as well of how this works. So this is for me personally to work on my discipline, but also to show as proof to my family how sticking to this one strategy, win or loss, in the end, how valuable it is. So we got that 12 o'clock candle about to come through too. So it's always some funny business around that time as well. So let's wait and see. All right, so alert has been set. We hit the level, so we'll see if we are going to end up rejecting over here or we're going to hold it. So that's what we're going to watch to see. Overall, this is the last area that we had created market structure. So an area where we're holding as some sort of support. So we'll see if we turn this area into a resistance. So we'll see if this support turns into a resistance or the floor turns into a ceiling. Okay, so right now we are about to head into the 12 o'clock time frame. So we don't have to call it a day. I would love to see how it plays out, but we are respecting this channel that we're currently in. All right, this is our 1-hour chart. Yeah, it looks like we're pretty much respecting it right now. We wicked off from the area we popped from. And yeah, we're not below this level, the 66.44 on the 1-hour. So it would have been nice to see it kind of close below it on the 1-hour. But right now it doesn't look like that, but you never know with trading. Well, I mean, with these charts here, but we'll see what happens. Okay, we got 2 more minutes on this 1-hour candle, but we are rejecting this level so far. I'm not trying to be thirsty, not trying to be antsy, but like I said, if I get into a trade, my stop is going to be actually above this wick here. which is also above the level of 66, 64, and I'll just let it play out if I see what I need to see. I'll have to see what I need to see. Let me look at the 1 hour. The 1 hour is currently engulfing the previous candle, which is what I like to see. And let's watch this 4 hour candle. We got 1 minute left. See what we got, y'all.
Order filled. Order filled.
Quick recap of my trade. So I wanted to wait for a break of this 66.44 level, which it broke it as we see here, and I wanted to see it react as a ceiling. So I wanted to see this floor break and then turn into a ceiling. So price did not come up. I got my engulfing candle, hopped in, quick scalp, in and out. Price is probably going to keep going down to my level, but we've been in this little weird range, but the overall trend has been down. So quick 180, 18 points on 2 accounts, and then on a live account I did micros, which are only $1 a move, so only $18 on the live account. But other than that, have a great rest of your day. I hope you enjoyed my trade recap.